Alright, don't chew the fence. Fighting. You're pretty cool staying there like that. Oh, I thought you were going to run off. Oh, I dropped one. Ready? Hey, your head's looking good. Oh, your feathers. Oh, your feathers, you beautiful boy. Oh, you're a beautiful boy. Now, if I ask you really gently and say, trust me, okay? Oh, trust me. There you go. You're cool. We are cool today. I love you. You love me? You're going one-handed. You got a spider crawling up your bum, mate. There's a spider web on your, there's a spider sitting on your tail. I hope that's going to be okay. Oh, dropsies. Dropsies. Dropsies, mate. You're grown up to be a fine man. Look at your hair. Eh? You're beautiful. Real sweetheart. Still biting the hand a little bit, but yeah, you're beautiful. Okay.